Alright, so Ford performance engineers are busy out there trail testing the prototype all-new Ford F-150 Raptor. Ford is saying that this new 2017 Raptor is the toughest, smartest, most capable truck yet in the Raptor category. The 2017 F-150 Raptor has better ground clearance than the first generation. It also comes with new 3-inch Fox Racing shocks with custom internal bypass technology. The shock absorption technology works to damp and stiffen suspension travel over rough terrain, and the all-new 4-wheel drive torque on demand transfer case further improves Raptor's trail performance. The new transfer case, which manages power distribution between the front and the rear wheels, combines the best attributes of clutch-driven on-demand all-wheel drive with durable mechanical locking 4-wheel drive. And get this, you can actually test drive this baby in the fall of 2016.